Compact high brightness laser projector. The ZW350e is one of Optoma's most compact and hassle-free WXGA dual-core laser projectors to date. Designed for maintenance-free continuous operation, this 4000-lumen projector delivers powerful image performance with flexible installation features and extensive connectivity options in a sleek, compact form factor, up to 34% smaller than previous Optoma models. To support Optoma's commitment to sustainability, the ZW350e cuts power consumption by up to 45% compared to Optoma's lamp-based projectors. Energy-saving dual-core laser technology ensures a long product lifespan of up to 30,000 hours without the need for additional lamps, requires minimal maintenance, and is mercury-free, further lowering its carbon footprint. An added benefit, the ZW350e features an external power supply offering more reliability, portability and energy efficiency. The ZW350e is geared for conference rooms, home theater rooms, boardrooms, and other corporate spaces. If you want to buy this projector, contact us.